Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Welcome back to more RC video reviews. Yes, I have been waiting to either buy or build a long-range FPV quadcopter. When I was looking at the kits and of course the ready-to-fly versions, I found them to be very expensive. Good news is that Eachine has the cheapest, by far the most affordable long-range FPV quadcopter kit, the Eachine Tyro 129, that you can buy, build with passion and love, and enjoy flying long-range FPV. Let me bring the camera closer and give you a closer look at what comes in the kit, and then of course I will get busy building it right away, getting it ready. Batteries are already here, cameras are fully charged, and we will go and fly some FPV, and we will see if Eachine Tyro 129 is up for the job or not. This is the Eachine Tyro 129, your most affordable long-range FPV quadcopter kit. This is also very easy to build, so I'm looking forward to an easy build and of course good flights out of it. Well, this little bag contains everything, of course, for your personal choice and taste. If you would like to stick Eachine stickers on your radio, FPV video goggles, etc., or on the quadcopter, okay. After that, we have Cyclone T7056 7-inch propellers right here, one set of propellers, and then we have the battery tray right here. Motors, these are nice and big motors. Let me just bring one out right away so you can see. This is an Eachine 2507 1800 kV motor. There you go. For motors, there is seems like TPU 3D printed camera mount for your GoPro Session. I just broke and killed my GoPro Session 5 before going to Pakistan. I'm really sad about it, but I do have other HD cameras, so don't worry. Then you have the antenna and Cadex Turbo Micro F2 FPV camera. And we have all-in-one ESC, flight controller, video transmitter, and GPS. I also see there is a TF card slot here to record the logs, the flight logs. They've got some tools here. Then you have the tower posts so that you can build your frame. We have screws and accessories to build your stack, flight controller stack. Finally comes the arms, the carbon fiber. These are really thick and nice arms right here. So definitely, I believe, not that easy to break them unless you do some high-speed crashing. So this is the frame components for you to build your frame. Looks pretty easy to build frame. Have an Eachine Velcro. We have an antenna extension cable. Other necessary cables including an XT60 already soldered. Heat shrink, zip ties. And the best thing you're gonna like about the Eachine kits is the carbon fiber AK-47 for your keychain. Alright, this is the kit. Looks like very straightforward to build. The only soldering that you need to do in this kit is going to be motors on the speed controller. Nothing else to solder. Everything is straightforward and should work accordingly. Alright, enough for unboxing the Eachine Tyro 129. Let's start the build.